I want to talk to every man who has ever been taught to be strong, to man up, who has ever been told not to complain about anything. This video is for you. Because men don't need to be fixed, they need to be heard. Sometimes being heard is the only thing that a man wants, the only thing that a man needs to hear quietly. In this world, people are being watu wamezaliwa in different places in this world. Men are taught different things, and most of them are taught to be not to show their weakness. They are taught not to cry. They are taught not to tell anyone whatever they are going through. Sasa hiyo kuambiwa hiyo yote ni vitu wenye wamefunzwa wakiwa wadogo, ni vitu zenye wamefunzwa wakiwa still young boys. And they have grown up to be like that. They have grown up to you see the things that you are being taught with your parents ama whoever took care of you when you are still young. Those things zinaingiaga kwa kichwa ya mtoto, na the more mtoto ana grow, the more he grows knowing very well that hivi vitu nimefunzwa ndo vitu zenye mimi nitaishi nikijua. But let me tell you something. Wameishi wakijua kwamba hizi ndo vitu zenye tumeambiwa in most of them. And you know some things linakuanga hivi. Wazazi ni wale wenye watakuambia tu now that you are a man, because they were also taught like that by their parents, So wakati wanakuza hawa watoto vijana wanaambiwa so many things. They are told not to show their weakness, they are told to man up, they are told to be strong. Sasa watoto wanakuwa wakiwa na hiyo, wakiwa tu na hiyo mindset kwamba I always need to be strong. But let me tell you something, your parents are wrong. I'm not saying that they are wrong in terms of kuwakuza ama nini, but whatever they taught, you are a human being. You always need to talk. Whenever you are not feeling that things are not going on well in my life, you have to speak up. Please don't keep quiet just because your parents raised you in that way. Your parents raised you in a manner that you need to be strong, in a manner that you don't have to tell anyone, you don't have to show weakness. That's not right. Everything that you are being taught by your parents, they are teaching you things that, hawajui. They don't realize that everything that they are telling you, it's creating you to be those people who are suffering in silence. Unaona? Unaweza kuwa unaumia ndani, unaweza kuwa kuna something is hurting you inside, but you don't say it just because from the foundation you are told not to show your weakness. You are told sort everything by yourself. You are a man. Who told you that kama wewe ni mwanaume you don't have to cry? At kama wewe ni mwanaume you don't have to show your weakness. At kama wewe ni mwanaume you don't have to speak up kenye nakusumbua. Ufai kuambia mtu yote ama ufai just to talk to someone who can be able to help you. Who told you like that? Always talk to someone. Always be there to speak up to someone who you feel you trust very well that this person will not use your pain against you, will not judge you based on everything that you have told them. And I always talk about this thing, always. When now a man finally decides to open up to you, he doesn't need you, he doesn't need anyone to fix himself, to fix his life. He doesn't need you to fix his life. He doesn't need any solution from you. He doesn't need any advice or even lectures. What he just needs you to give him a listening ear. If you can be able to hear what he has to tell you, it will be very, very nice. It will be something very important kwake. Unapata? Now, when they decide to do that, they always speak or talk to someone who they trust won't use their pain against them. They always try to open up to someone who will not judge them. They also become vulnerable when they are not criticized for having emotion. But unfortunately, men experience the opposite when they try to reveal their personal issues, when they try to reveal something personal, it becomes the opposite way. Now if they decide to open up, and if they decide to talk to someone, ama waende waongee na msee, open up, kuambia the problem they're facing, that person will use their pain against them. That person will judge them, will call them weak. That is the reason why most of them, they die with things inside. Most of them, they don't open up to anybody because they feel these people will always judge us. These people will always use our problems against us. So ndo unapata tu mtu ananyamaza, unapata tu mse vitu pile up, amekuwa overwhelmed, yani pile up ndani, zimejana ndani, so ameshindwa ataambia nani, ameshindwa ataenda ongea na nani, ameshindwa ataenda a reveal issue yenye namsumbua, ataenda reveal kwa nani, because they lack that safe space to open up. They lack someone that they can trust to reveal their personal issues. When a man is hard, truly hard, like ndo hii amesikizwa, something powerful normally happens to their life. Normally it happens in their lives, yeah. They always feel lighter, they always feel calmer, you know. They will always feel human again. Yani wana feel they start heal. Yani they will feel wameanza kupona kidogo, they have started healing slowly by slowly. At least, you know, at least someone has given them a listening ear. You ndo kitu yenye mwanaume utaka. That's the only thing that men always yearn for. They always need someone who listens to them, who will not judge them, who will not use their pain against them. Ukiwa tu that person, these men will trust you 100%, and they will be able to open up to you and talk to you and tell you everything that they are passing through. Na hapo itakuwa inawasaidia kwa maisha yao. Hiyo pia ni kupona kiakili, hiyo pia ni kupona kwa design nyingine yenye hata utawaiamini, kwa design nyingine hata uwezi elewa. Unapata? Because being listened to, men, they always believe that being listened to is a form of love to them. You love them like that. No wonder you see, always in marriages and even relationships, always men need a listening ear. Hawatakangi ile when they talk, you talk. When they do what you do, the same. Actually, they will just run away. Utapata mwanaume ameshut down completely just because they fear. They always need peace. They always need respect. If you respect them and listen to and you give them a listening ear, that one mutakuwa karibu hivi. Mutakuwa karibu sana naye. But if you do the opposite way, my dear, you will make that man shut down completely. Utakuwa unamwambia not that maybe atisijui ati akupendi ama maybe atisijui ako aje. No, it's because amekuogopa wewe, because you are trying to show him like he's a weak person. You are trying to show him like he's not man enough. So what that man will do will just shut down completely, and of which it's not good for his health, for his mental health. They always need a safe space to open up. They always need a safe space to talk. They also need a listening ear. Tuwasikiza tu, ndo hivyo. Ndo hivyo healing process imeanza. Ndo hivyo unapata mse ako tu, anafeel ako sawa, anafeel ako comfortable. They always need that, of which usipowapatia, no, you will be surprised to see so many men fighting silent battles that you don't see. They are just kuna vitu wanapitia silently. There are things they're just going through silently that you cannot see. Kuna hizi problems zenye wao hupitia, kuna hizi tu pressure zenye wao hupitia. We have pressure to provide, pressure to fix, pressure to work, pressure ya familia, pressure sijui za nini, pressure za finance, pressure za job, so many things. And you know, if this kind of a man just receives a conversation, just a small conversation, it can save him big. It can save him big. But usipompatia tu masikio kumsikiza tu. Let me tell you something. For you to save a man, let me just go straight. For you to save a man, give him a listening ear. You don't know what they are going through. Hajakwambia bado haja open up kwako. Time yenye anataka ku open up, please listen to him. And please, if you listen and you have heard everything that he has told you, kindly don't use against them. Kindly don't judge them. Take them as usual, as normal people. Take them as, like, in fact, encourage them. Encourage them. And not to call them weak people, to call them, hey, you need to man up, you are a man, you need to be strong, do what, blah, blah, blah. Those are just nonsense. Don't tell them that. What you need to do, just please, kindly, what you need to do, encourage them, talk to them in a soft way, give them a listening ear. Wacha wakuambie, because the more wana release out kukuambia, the more they relieve themselves, the more wanajitolea burden fulani place. Yani kama roho yao ilikuwa imejifunga hivi, kuna venye inaanza kufunguka pole pole. Ana feel ako light kidogo, ana feel ako so calm. Ana feel ako sawa, because that is how the healing process inaanza. Hivyo tu pole pole. So me, I always talk to every man who is listening, to every man who is watching this video. Just know that you need always to speak up. Your voice matters a lot. And just know that you are also human. Don't let anyone belittle you. Don't let anyone look down upon whatever you do. Always find someone who you trust, and please open up to that person. That way you'll be able to relieve yourself from other things. Or what I always tell people, especially men, that if you feel that no one is listening to you, no one is listening to whatever you want to tell them, whatever you want to say, always pick a book and a pen like the one I'm holding. Write everything that you feel is in your head na kwa roho yako. Write them down, and please handle the ones that you can be able to handle, the ones that can be handled. And please, the ones that you can't, find someone that you trust, or even a therapist akusaidie kuhandle vitu zingine. Because kuenda kuongea na therapy is not weakness. Kuongea na therapy, hiyo inaonyesha unajipenda, hiyo inaonyesha you love yourself. You can free yourself from other things. And also the message to women and the society, always listen to these men. When they try to open up to, when they try to tell you something, always listen to them, because wanawategemea nyinyi. Hawategemei nyinyi kuwaita majina, hawategemei nyinyi kuwa label majina ya kwanza, sijui ati hey, huyu he's a weak man, ati nyinyi kuwasikiza, mnawasikiza ile time unaona msee anatoa do kusaidia maada msee anafanya nini, hiyo ndio time unataka usikize that guy. Please, even sometimes when you see this guy ametulia, he does everything, he provides, he goes to work, he does everything, he protects, he fixes so many things in his family. Kindly always listen to them. Always even end at a pale unamuuliza, are you okay? That is the only thing they always need to hear. Are you okay? Are you sure you are fine? Please talk to me. Is your heart, talk to them. Try and ask them if they are okay. Try and ask them if they are doing well. Wanaweza kuwa to they laugh na wewe, wanacheka na wewe hapa, but you see behind the curtain unapata msee analia kama mtoi, unaona, na akilia hivyo, please don't judge him, listen to him. Just ask him, Are you sure you're fine? Is there anything that is is there anything that is yenye nakusumbua? Is there anything that troubles you? Kindly talk to me. Unaona, ukimpatia listening ear ataanza open up kwako, na the more anaendelea open up, the more healing process inaanzia hapo, the more anaanza kufeel ako better, the more anaanza kufeel ako okay na kila kitu. Unapata tu msee anaanza ameanza tu anacheka na ako tu sawa completely. Hapo unamsaidia, utajua yes, but for him he will know now I'm lighter, at least I feel lighter, siko heavy vile nilikuwa nimejaza, niko overwhelmed with so many things in my heart, my soul is troubled, my head is carrying a lot of things. At least ameamua kurelease zingine, na hapa akiamua kurelease, kindly listen to them and don't judge them, don't call them names, don't label them names. Always listen to them. It has been your host, Liz. Always mental health is this is the space, a safe space for you to open up, a safe space for you. If you feel you want to talk to me, if you feel that maybe you trust me, of course trust me. I'll give you a listening ear. If you feel you have something that is really troubling you, kindly reach out to me, reach out to this channel, andika tu kwa comment section. And please, if you're watching this video, kindly share the video to so many people so that so many can be able to get the message. Otherwise, till next time, let's meet to the next video. It has been your host, Liz, mental health. Bye.